Hello, welcome back. I'm at a car boot. Wasn't sure whether to come to one today because I've got loads of stuff, but I thought I may as well. So let's have a look. What's your books, please?
50p for the softs, £1 for the hards.
Okay, thank you.
That's a set, so that's a full home Game of Thrones set.
Yeah.
£2.
£1.
You take £1 for him? Yeah. Not yours, was it? It was yours, wasn't it? It was yours. Oh, I'll take £1, doggy.
£1 for them?
Take £1 for the dolly. Two, if you want. Thank you. And half ball.
You say £2 for that one. Come on.
But it's different.
Yeah. But the difference is £2 for that one, you say £1. Go on.
I'll take those, please. That's
Okay.
about 8.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I'll just see if there's any more.
This is separately the freehanders.
Yeah. You take £1.50 for the doll? £1.50?
The one you said £1 for the £1.
It's bigger.
It's different.
Yeah.
Different.
That one we have to try about say 20 bits.
I'll take that one. Anyway.
Okay, thank you.
If I get those and those, what's that? What's that? 7?
I can't add up. 47, yeah?
7, yeah, okay. I will just put those in there as well. I just going to have a look at it. I didn't realise there was more of it.
Yeah.
Books everywhere.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, I just take those, I think, then, please.
Alright, so
7.
Yeah. Thank you very
Lovely.
much.
Thank
Cheers.
you.
Have a good day.
And you.
I've still got the flags, the silk ones.
Yes.
I like the Kensingtons, which Kensingtons, and I quite like a set of the flowers, but they need to be displayed properly. The wildflowers, they're nice.
There's flowers in there, no.
Yeah, no, the silk ones.
Yeah, no, not silk.
Yeah. Anyway, amazing. No, actually, it's silk. Put it in a cigarette packet. It's just
Right
now.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
And you're done.
Pens are in that bag. Yeah. Because I don't know where to put anything of that. Oh, see, the trouble is, not being most of it's not their stuff and the stuff we give them Right.
Oh yeah, I got they're in the 25p
Yeah,
each.
that's fine.
8 there. I think
Oh,
it
that's
is.
£2 then.
Yeah.
It's easy, isn't it?
Thank you. So I thought I was going to grab 5 or 4, and then I thought actually I might as well grab the rest.
Yeah, lovely. Smashing.
Brilliant.
Thank you ever so much.
Thank you.
Ta.
How much is the puzzle, please?
50p.
Thank you. And how much are your books out of interest as often?
Oh, 20p for those. Thank you. you.
Thank you. Thank you. Take those 5 of them.
Okay. Thank
Lovely.
you.
Thank you. How much are your books, please?
50p.
Okay, thank you.
You can leave that out on the ground, mate. Some of that one.
Yeah, sure.
Cheers.
I'll send you my bill.
Get a few spits of rain now.
Just take that one then, please, mate.
Lovely. Cheers, alright.
Thank you. How much are your books, please?
Which ones?
Any of them, I suppose.
So, all these ones, what are we doing those ones for? £1 each.
Okay.
And then hardbacks, yeah, it depends which ones.
Right, okay.
How much are your games? Which one, mate? Those ones. 4 for the both? Yeah, 2 for each. Yeah, go for it. Have a good look. Yeah, have a look at the
That signs that you go, oh, they're in there.
Yeah.
And then it's not in there.
If you have the games on, mate, I'll do it for 20 quid for you. You've got change for a tenner? Yeah, sure. 70 points.
If I was to take all the Tom Gates ones, there's
Yeah.
15 in total.
15.
2, 3.
They're hardbacks, aren't they? So,
Some and some, really, so.
For all of them.
Potentially, depends on the price, yeah.
yeah, I think definitely at least 20 quid.
Right, okay.
20
Yeah.
pounds because some of them are quite new.
Yeah.
Right, okay. I'll leave it then for now, thank you. Thank you.
There's no worries.
What cherry books, please?
Oh, 50p, 3 for £1.
Thank you.
Was the complete morse.
What was it? Right at the front, yeah.
Someone went through a morse stage.
Right. Thank you.
All the morse for 150.
Sorry?
You have all the morse ones for 150.
Yeah, go on and I'll do that then, please. Yep.
Lovely.
Thank you.
very much.
I always put something down there. Basically, all them ones in there are all the war type ones. When you do books as much as I do, like this, and this is in our spare time when we're not working. Yeah. What are you looking for? No. I know where they'd be if I had.
Yeah.
I always put them in front of that box. Because it's that type of...
Are they all 60 feet? Is there...
Anything along here.
Oh, okay, and these, how much are they?
They're not.
Okay.
These are priced.
Oh, okay.
Basically £1 each.
Right, lovely. Oh, lovely.
Down
Thank you very much.
Oh, you've got some Stephen
yeah.
Kings.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, there's a Stephen King in there
Right, okay.
for £1.
Right.
And there's also the hardback over there,
Right, okay, lovely.
which has got a price on the back of it.
Thank you, I'll have a look.
But these are 60p each, 5 for 250. That's all that lot.
Right, okay.
Unfortunately, I can't. I keep trying to put them out,
Yeah.
but as it goes, I'm selling them, so I'm not complaining.
No, there's worse problems.
It's just. Yeah, there's a load in the box there as well,
Yeah, I saw those.
and there's some in front. They're basically what I call my leads to say that author's in the box.
Right, I've got 5 from over there,
Okay,
and that
£2.50.
and that one's a pound.
£1, that's £3.50 altogether.
Lovely, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, have a good day.
Thank you. What do you think? Is that having a lot?
Yeah.
It's like to do a deal with you.
Yeah.
Fasting. On.
Right, who's doing that?
Oh, mate, on the yeah, on the Mills and Boons, there was 30, I think, if I counted right.
3, 6, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19, 23, 27, 30. You're very good at counting.
You're not bad yourself. What's that? Do a fiver for the lot?
6 5's the
So there's 6, isn't there? So 5 are for the lot, not
Yep.
a problem, mate.
Perfect.
But I need me box.
Oh, what?
So tip them straight in there.
Yeah, go for it, mate. Yeah.
If you're all right with them tipped.
Yep, it's fine.
I need me box because I've got a bag this big full of them.
Oh, really?
So, but I didn't bring them here last time, and I had so many people ask. I said I've got to remember them today.
Right, okay.
So
There you go.
superb,
Oh,
mate.
good.
Wonderful.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Very much indeed. But hopefully in 2 weeks' time we can make it, but it's subject to whether one of us is at work.
Right,
We
okay.
have Such a lot.
Right, fair enough. Yeah, no, that's fine.
It's hard as that car.
Yeah, I bet.
I
Right.
ain't got any seats in the back. I've taken them out. It's all flat. in
No,
the back.
okay, well, that's handy.
They just clip out.
Yeah.
So,
Well, I might see you in a couple of weeks then.
yeah.
I might be
If
back.
I'm here, I'll bring another sort of load.
Yeah, perfect. Brilliant. Thanks a lot. Well, there we go. It wasn't a bad little run round in the end. I got a lot of stuff. Stuff that I probably didn't need, but couldn't resist. And yeah, I will get it home and get it listed. If I can find my car keys. Got my car keys. So yeah, there's a couple of bits I think you may have missed because I'm not sure if the camera was on. But yeah, overall, lots of books, lots to get listed. Lots of repeat stuff that I've got before as well, so it's easy to list. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'll leave another car boot video up here and probably a playlist up this way maybe. You can give those a watch. And thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.